Hi and welcome to this week's project. I obviously do lots and lots of pen blanks. I've got a lot of different ideas happening just now, and there's a lot going on this table actually, because there's a lot of different casting going on, but this video is about this casting. I've got some stabilised Melly Burrs here, which were stabilised vibrant pink. So I'm really pleased with those actually. They came out lovely. And I'm not talking about this one at the end here, I'm just talking about these two. And I've also just purchased some purple shard glitter, and this is from SFXC. Their stuff is a little bit expensive there, but I wanted to test this out. As you can see in there, it's like little strips of it rather than the normal glitter that you use. I do have the normal glitter. Let's get that. I have like these glitters, but they're tiny bits, and this is slightly different. They're a little bit expensive, these products here, but yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I'm going to test this one's out in this. I'm going to make up 4 blanks. It will be 2 in vibrant pink with that, and then I thought I would do the Pearl-Ex Plum Crazy purple with that, just to see if we can, just to see what they look like really. I don't often do blanks just for the girls, but this video is blanks for the girls really. So most of it will be in time lapse. I shall turn one of each, I think, maybe of the pens, seeing how they come out. I may turn a pen. Not sure if that's going to be in this video right now, just depends on the timing of everything. But yeah, let's mix it up and see what it looks like, and we can have a look and see if this glitter's any good. Okay, thought I'd come back for a quick demoulding and then we'll go and get them cut up. Brilliant, that's what I wanted to know really with the demoulding. Was it all the way through? And it certainly looks like it, because there seemed to be a lot floating at the top. Well, it'll be a case of cutting it up and seeing, I suppose, to truly get an opinion on that one, but so far so good. Right, I'll go and cut these up. I'll then post a picture right now of what they look like, and then I'm going to go on, I'm going to make a pen from each of them. So most of that will be in time lapse, because obviously it's quite a long video, but anyway, I'll post you the pictures up now of what they look like cut up. Okay, that's just on the lathe. So it's obviously on the bushes, and I always round the corners of all my blanks. I can't see the point in fighting the corners, so I just usually put it on the bench sander and just round off the corners. And yeah, we'll get this turned down now and we shall see what it looks like.
Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. way.